Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Beaumont Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Bears. And this is my third visit at their campus for this school year and my final one as well for 2023-2024. The main focus today, though, was on respect. The sub-theme being we are all miracles. And it's something that I bring up in all my assemblies, the fact that we are all true miracles, why I wear this shirt for this particular program as well, because all of us with the lines on our hand have letter M, right? Trace one of mine here. Some of the students had theirs traced today, just as a reminder of our self-worth, our value, to see it not only in ourselves, but in others. And that's where respect comes in too, and where it ties in. That's part of their core values here at Beaumont, is to be respectful, right? To be responsible, to be safe. But the respect one is what we really tried to kind of hammer home, right? And saying that we have to have that self-respect first and foremost, that self-love more or less, before we can give it out to others. And it's so necessary that we do show respect in today's day and age. And if you want respect, of course, you have to give it, right? And the students really took that to heart today. They really understood the message. We had a couple Q&As, what does respect mean to you? How do you see it in your life? Has someone ever shown you respect? Have you ever shown someone else respect? And we got a variety of answers, but the overlying bigger, key word that I was really trying to push to them is to choose kindness, right? That respect equals kindness. And so through a series of heartfelt stories, some physical props, visual aids, a couple powerful videos, along with, just the call and response rap that we did, the hand motion rap, all that combined is how they really took the message to heart. And we said, look, that speaking of hearts, we all have that same type of heart. We might look different on the outside, but we still feel, right? And so we need to think about our actions. We need to sometimes pause. The power of pause we talked about as well, and take a step back, assess the situation. If what I say or do, is it going to escalate? Is it going to hurt someone else? Just keep going back and forth, or can we rise above that hate and try to show that love that's so needed? And we talk about, the fact that a lot of us might get bruises externally, black and blue, and that those can heal with proper rest, care, ice, etc. But the bruises that we can't see sometimes that are internal are on the heart. So do we want to be adding to those heart marks that we call them negatively, or do we want to help erase them, by complimenting others, by praising them, by, showing that act of love or that act of kindness? So again, it's just incredible getting to keep coming back time after time, building on what we spoke on before, and then just taking it up another level every time that I get to visit here at Beaumont. So hope to see you all again soon. Have a great rest of the school year. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.